Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to reconcile credit card payments properly in Tyler plus Google Sheets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to first of all make sure that you have a setup account for reconciliation sheet. So all you gotta do is simply go and open your reconciliation sheet. Once you have done this, you can simply use a template that includes it as well. You can add each credit card account right over there and add accounts to your spreadsheet. Now you need to enter your bank statement details, like open the reconciliation sheet and then find your credit card account. And once you have found this, in the corresponding column, input the opening balance and statement and close balance. So once you have done this, you need to review and manually reconcile transactions. Check for automatic reconciliation, manual reconciliation with override column. And once you have completed all of these stuffs, you can simply have the budget for purchase and use the account reconciliation to simply verify the sheet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.